All right, this is our 22 certified hobby box PYT 19 certified football. PYT number 9, sorry, PYT number 9. We will have 2 autos, 2 mem cards per box on average. Guess the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. Make sure if you guess a rookie, it is for the 22 class. 5 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. Good luck to everyone in this break. We got the freshman fabric mirror signatures, piece of the game signatures, radical rookies, the mighty, and the certified stunners are possibles in this. This will have a different numbered variations of those cards. There's our empty box. Here are all our packs spilling all over. Here is pack number 1. Good luck. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto. There's a link in the chat for that updated schedule again. If you're just joining us, want to see what breaks we have coming up, you can stay up to date with that link of the schedule. JJ Watt, we will be back on Sunday and Monday. Austin Eckler out of 275, 21 out of 275 there on the Eckler. And we got the dark horses, Devonta Smith for the Eagles, Adam Thielen, Amari Cooper, Kid Reporter card. Our second pack. We have Tua Tagovailoa, Joe Mixon, the Sam Howell on the 2022, Najee Harris, Devonta Adams. And Rob, if we random that to the chat, that would be the end of Jackpot breakers, I would assume. I don't think that would go over well with anyone except for who got that in the random. Michael Pittman Jr., Antonio Gibson, and we got a filler. Yeah, I think he might. He was pretty excited about that one. Antonio Gibson on the seal of approval. Ryan Tannehill, Matthew Stafford, Kid Reporter card. Jalen Hurts, Darnell Mooney out of 349. Certified stars CeeDee Lamb, Josh Allen, Kyler Gordon out of 325. And we have our first patch or auto. I'm not sure yet what that one is. Dark horses of Rondell Moore, Mac Jones, Myles Garrett, Kid Reporter, Terry McLaurin. And our first hit of the break, it's going to be Danny Gray on the new generation patch out of 299. Danny Gray for the 49ers. So we got Sauce, Brees, Jahan Dotson, Garrett Wilson, Sky Moore, Kenny Pickett, and Mac Jones as guesses for the last auto. Some of these cards top loaded here, then we'll move on to our next packs. Again, up next is going to be our 3 absolute blaster box break. That is 22 absolute football blasters coming up. That is PYT number 11. I think we're due for another kaboom. Feels like a kaboom night, I hope. And then we're going to end the night with the 21 contenders football. I think those contenders, what, they have 5 autos in there or 6 autos, something like that. See if we can't hit a big auto in there. And we still have our autos left in this one. Should have 2 autos and 1 mem card left. You guys are guessing the player on the last auto in this break. Again, make sure hey Bob, how's it going? Yeah, this has been a fun night so far, our breaks. Here's Josh Jacobs. Glad to see. Oh, there's our first auto. That's going to be Ray Guy. Didn't we hit a Ray Guy auto and something else? Canton certified Ray Guy Hall of Fame kicker, 13 out of 25 on the Ray Guy auto. Man, that's really hard to. Ray Guy autograph for the Raiders. It's a really cool looking autograph card there. That is 13 out of 25. Congrats to the Raider spot on the first auto. We have Christian Watson, Chase Claypool, Davis Mills. Yeah, we got some first off the line, some hobby coming. David Montgomery, Saquon Barkley, Myles Garrett, Derrick Henry, Cam Akers, Kid Reporter card. It's a filler, I think. Russell Wilson. There's J.J. Watt, recently retired J.J. Watt, 25 out of 99. There's that filler. Then we have a Jahan Dotson. This is numbered out of 75, 14 out of 75, or 25. 14 out of 25 on the Dotson. Nice hit there for the Commanders. Sam Darnold, Matt Judon. I think that'll have our little auto in it. It felt thicker. Guess it could be a filler actually in there. So actually, oh wait. Oh, we still have a patch left. Okay, this might be our patch here. James Robinson. Let's see. Yeah, this is our patch. James Robinson. Isaiah Spieler out of 99, 62 out of 99 pieces of the game. That is authentic memorabilia, is not from any specific game or event. All right. Panini. There's that. Certified stars Najee Harris, Justin Herbert, Mark Andrews. Do we have any? I gotta think too. We don't have like any mosaic hangers or anything else. I kind of like. It seems like hangers do have some good hits in them. Yeah, those rookie variations are nice. The silver ones. Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, we've hit some T-Laws a couple times. All right, here we go. That should be our auto. Gold team of Ryan Tannehill, Tom Brady, Romeo Dobbs out of 399, 31 out of 399 on that one. Kid Reporter card. Good luck to everybody who made a guess in this one. Tyler Lockett. Oh, man. Where's Kristen? It is Chris Olave. Pieces of the game, auto out of 49, 19 out of 49. Do we have anybody else guess Chris Olave on this? That is authentic memorabilia, not from any specific game, even though it's called pieces of the game. That is a nice hit there for the Saints spot. Yeah, we're hitting these Chris Olaves. Where they at? They were cleaning up there on back-to-back breaks. Let's see, this will probably be 100 points. All right, yep. Nice hit there for the Saints. We'll get the Dobbs. We'll do our recap. Then we'll move on to our Absolute 3 Blaster Box break. I think our Dobbs out of 399. Austin Eckler out of 275. Sam Howell. Darnell Mooney out of 349. Kyler Gordon out of 325. Danny Gray patch out of 299. J.J. Watt out of 99. Jahan Dotson This is 14 out of 25. Pieces of the game, Isaiah Spieler, 62 out of 99. Ray Guy, Canton Certified Hall of Fame, 13 out of 25. The Ray Guy auto. He just printed his name. Actually, looks all right that way. 19 out of 49 on the pieces of game auto for the Saints, Chris Olave. All right, that does it for that break. Yeah, we had some good products tonight so far. All right, up next is our Absolute 3 Blaster box break. I'll grab those boxes here in just a second, get these cards off the table. Let's pull up the list.